If you've just installed ABrush and you're staring at the interface wondering where to start, this video is for you. We're going to walk through every generation mode in the plugin, what each one is for, and when to use which. After you make a selection on your canvas and open the plugin, the first thing you choose is a mode. Think of modes as different tools in the same toolbox. Each one gives the AI a different job to do. There are 5 modes: edit, upscale, image to image, text to image, and actions. Once you pick a mode, you also choose a model, the actual neural network doing the work. And this is important, so let's address it right away. You might be wondering, why are there so many models to choose from? Why not just keep the best one? Because the best quality model is not always the best tool for the job. Models differ in 3 things: speed, quality, and cost. And don't forget personal preference. Over time, you'll develop a feel for which models consistently click with your style and workflow. Depending on what stage of work you're at, the right choice changes completely. Say you're exploring an idea, you're not sure about your prompt, not sure about the composition, not sure about the direction. In that case, a fast, lightweight model gives you 4 variants in a few seconds. You can iterate, adjust, and find the direction quickly. The top quality model might take 40+ seconds per result. If your prompt isn't locked in yet, that's a lot of time spent waiting for results you'll throw away. So our recommendation is simple: use fast models to find your idea, use quality models to finish it. Now let's talk about mods. Text to image is where you start from nothing. You write a text description and the AI generates an image inside your selection. No source image needed. Best for generating references, creating asset drafts, building a starting point for further work. We'll go deep on this one in a dedicated video, but as a starting mode, it's the most straightforward entry point into a brush. Image to image, the classic time-tested diffusion mode. It uses an existing image as a structural base for a new generation. You control how much the AI is allowed to change with the denoise slider. You can lock and guide the shape through control net cards and layer in specific styles using dedicated style models. The lower the denoise value, the closer the result stays to the original. Edit mode lets you modify an existing image using text instructions, not descriptions, instructions. You tell the AI what to do, not what you want to see. Change the jacket color, add a red hat, take the weapon from image 2 and give it to the character in image 1. That's the short version. In practice, edit is a deep rabbit hole. There are techniques and trick shots in this mode that go well beyond the basics, and we'll cover some of them in the dedicated breakdown video. Upscale increases the resolution of an image and reconstructs detail. It includes models suited for different upscaling goals, from maximum fidelity to the original, to options that actively redraw and enhance detail beyond what was there to begin with. Actions are pre-configured AI workflows. One click, minimal setup. Currently, the main action is render it. It takes your image and pushes it further, whatever stage it's at, a rough sketch, a loose collage, a blocked-in composition. It brings it closer to a finished result without you touching a single setting. That's the map. 5 modes, each with its own job. In the next videos, we'll go deep into each one with real examples. Start with whichever mode is most relevant to your work. Links are in the description.